Are you using aftershave after you shave? Yeah, that's right. There is actually a process after you shave to prevent certain things. Hey everyone, my name is Scott Barnes. I am all about men's health and improvement in life. And one thing in one subject we often not talk about is the shave, but in particular after the shave. Now there are a multitude of ways to shave. We got the electric razor, the straight razor, and of course the multi-blade. And there might be a few here in between that I might not be knowing. But that being said, when we do shave, we are actually irritating and we are going against sometimes the subsurface of the skin, opening up our pores, our skin to irritation, ingrown hairs, and possibly infection. Now, why does aftershave come in on this? Well, you guys, just like I said, when we are shaving, sometimes our hairs actually can grow into our skin, creating bumps and actually pimples and sometimes some cysts. So what does aftershave do? So a few things. One, with one of the main ingredients being isopropyl alcohol, it's going to disinfect any of the cuts that have been made from that razor. Information time, if you guys didn't know, when you do shave, you're taking a little layer off your epidermis, causing itching and swelling to your skin. And using aftershave is going to restrict and it's going to stop the swelling, stop producing or activating ingrown hairs, and a multitude of other things. But of course, it's going to stop any promotion of bumps. And that's the biggest thing that I've noticed, because I do like using aftershave not only on my neck, but my chest, and sometimes in the lower regions, depending on where I shave. Now remember, when you're using aftershave, it's going to be reducing the itching and the swelling from the damaged skin and ingrown hairs, closing pores to prevent bacteria, dirt, and chemicals from getting in. And this is going to be reducing your breakouts, razor burns, and of course those razor bumps, helping cuts from shaving heal quicker. And that's the main purpose of aftershave. And one that I do in particular like, because there's a few that you can find on Amazon. And of course, since I work with Volt, Volt's got a great aftershave. And what I do like most about it, it complements their shampoo, their conditioner, their beard wash line. So they all smell the same. So after you're, scrubbing up with the shampoo, you can go ahead, or, the body wash, go ahead and use their aftershave. We're just gonna pour just a little bit in. And I do like that dispenser, it's just old school style. And you're gonna pat it in. And then once again, if you're using it like on your chest, you're gonna pat your chest, you're gonna put it all the way around. Smells good. And again, it's kind of like a cologne. So there's kind of like a 2-in-1 factor. Now this one from Volt, this one smells really good. It's a aloe cucumber eucalyptus extract. They call it Drift. Cool and hydrate aftershave. But I've noticed since I have been switching from razors that, man, the skin does not like you using different razors. It's like stay consistent on one. But as I've been finding the one that I really like, because I've been going through this whole process my entire life, aftershave is a big game changer for you guys, especially in my journey. When I do jujitsu, I'm doing like hardcore cardio workouts. Like those things are a big deal when you're sweating, and that can also cause irritation, inflammation, and also possibly some bacteria, some ingrown hairs, and possibly some infections. But this is a great way for you guys to alleviate that. Keeps you guys nice and clean, smelling great at the same time. But you guys got to make sure that after you're shaving, if you some certain ethnicities can actually develop more bumps than others, and so that's why I do recommend using some aftershave. And the biggest thing, you guys, if you do like some of these, go down to Volt's website. There's a few more too down there if you want to check out. But with that, make sure you guys are doing a diligent job when you're coming to shaving and your aftercare. With that, I will see you in the next video. See ya!